Welcome to Maths Unlimited. Here is a question from trigonometry converting product into sum and difference. We have to prove that sine 10 degree into sine 50 degree into sine 60 degree into sine 70 degree equal to root 3 by 16. Now, left hand side, that is equal to sine 10 degree into sine 50 degree into sine 60 degree into sine 70 degree. Now, first of all, half into sine 60 degree into sine 10 degree into 2 into 2, मतलब 2 and 2 gone, then 2 sine 70 degree and sine 50 degree. Now, this is half and sine 60, the value of sine 60 equal to root 3 upon 2 into sine 10 degree. Now, the formula 2 sine, this is the formula I have written here, 2 sine x sine y, 2 sine x sine y, that is equal to cos x minus y minus cos x plus y. Now, applying this formula, we will get cos a minus b, that means 70 minus 50, that is equal to cos 20 degree minus cos x plus y, that means cos 70 plus 50, that is equal to cos 120 degree, cos 120 degree. Now, this is equal to root 3 by 4 sine 10 degree, and that is equal to cos 20 degree minus cos, the value of cos 120 equal to minus half. The value of cos 120 degree, that is equal to cos 180 degree minus 60 degree, that is in second coordinate. 180 minus 60, that means in second coordinate. All sine, tan, cos. So cos is negative, minus cos 60 degree, that is equal to minus half. So this is the value of cos 120 equal to minus half. So that is equal to minus half. So this is equal to root 3 by 4 into sine 10 degree into cos 20 degree minus plus half. So multiply root 3 by 4 sine 10 degree into cos 20 degree, and this is equal to plus root 3 by 4 into half into sine 10 degree. Now, root 3 by, this is 8 multiplied by 2, then 2 is also multiplied over here, that is equal to sine 10 degree cos 20 degree plus root 3 by 8 sine 10 degree. Now, root 3 by 8, also another formula, sine 10 degree and cos 20 degree. So this is the formula, 2 cos x sine y. The formula is sine x plus y minus sine x minus y. This is the formula. Now apply the formula over here. Then we will get root 3 by 8 into sine x plus y, that is 10 plus 20, that is 30 degree, minus sine x minus y, the sin x 10 degree minus 20 degree, that is equal to sin minus 10 degree. Oh, minus 10 degree. So this is equal to root 3 by 8 and plus root 3 by 8 sin 10 degree is here. So root 3 by 8 sin 30 degree. Sin 30, what is the value of sin 30? That is equal to half and minus sin 10 degree plus root 3 by 8 sin 10 degree. So multiply root 3, 8 to the 16 minus root 3 by 8 sin 10 degree plus root 3 by 8 sin 10 degree. So this, then it will be root 3 by 8, that is equal to right hand side proved. Hope you will understand. See, this is the proof